Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a nice walkthrough of this new broker's listing, 2022 38 GLS from Cruisers Yachts, Bellissimo. In the beautiful jet black hull with the ochre seating. Absolutely gorgeous. Triple 300 Mercuries with joystick system. These are the new V8s. You can see the beautiful sure shade for those hot summer days. He color matched the radar on the hardtop to the black. He custom ordered this boat. Gorgeous mocha sea deck. You do have a patio door that comes down here electrically for when you're hanging out. Opens up the cockpit. High gloss wood tables. Electric barbecue grill. Cockpit refrigerator. Boat was ordered with just about every option. This one has the Seakeeper stabilizer as well. Ice maker in the cockpit. Look at this gorgeous double helm seat here. Big twin Simrad 12-inch GPSs. Here's your joystick system, your DTS controls. It's got an induction charger for your cell phone. They do such a nice job with this 38. This is a Cruisers exclusive here too. You have the bar stools at the little bar here. Great area to have lunch, to have a cocktail. Look at how expansive this cockpit is for a 38. A lot of freeboard on this boat too. It hits you real high walking through. Gorgeous bow rider seating up here. You have another table, high gloss table that comes out that stores away you can use. Access to your windlass controls. This does have the bow sunshade system. You can see the stanchions here for that. Look at the South Beach logo in here. Yes, oh, forgot to mention, this is the South Beach Edition 38 GLS. He also put in full isinglass enclosure. You can see the zipper here, so on that inclement day you can protect yourself from the wind and rain. And look at this gorgeous cabin. This is a dinette down here, but it also converts to a full double berth. You have a television, beautiful steps, wood flooring. All of your controls are down here behind this cushion, your MDP we call it. Then you have a full double bed back here as well, so you can sleep 4 people on this. It's got a diesel generator. You have a microwave down here, another refrigerator, and you also have a gorgeous stand-up head, vessel sink, and a really nice shower. This boat has been stored at F3 Marina here in Fort Lauderdale since new. It's never seen the sun on a full-time basis. It was just waxed and detailed. Still has extended warranty on the boat. If you want a perfect 2022 38 GLS in the beautiful South Beach jet black edition with ochre interior here, give me a call today. 954-783-9555 is our dealership number. My mobile phone is 561-654-6058. Again, Tyler Hill at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Have a great day.